In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Microsoft To Do. This straightforward guide will help you seamlessly move tasks and projects outside of Microsoft To Do, ensuring that you can manage, backup, or share your data efficiently. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, begin by navigating to the Microsoft To Do website. Here you'll find yourself at the Welcome page, a gateway to all your tasks and projects. This is where you can see everything you've set your mind to accomplish, all neatly organized. The next step is to log into your account. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Make sure you type this in correctly to avoid any issues with logging in. After you've entered your email, you'll need to click Next to move on to the next phase of the sign-in process. Following your email submission, you'll likely be asked to enter your password or possibly carry out a two-factor authentication, depending on your account's security settings. This is a standard procedure to ensure that your information is secure and to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface of Microsoft To Do. Here you'll see your list of tasks. These could range from simple daily chores to more complex projects divided into multiple tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this view, as it represents the core area where all your planning and task management happens. Now let's get to the main focus of our guide, selecting a task you wish to export. Browse through your lists and decide on the task that you want to add a file to. This could be anything from a related document you need for reference to a photo that inspires your project. Once you've found the right task, click on it to open a more detailed view. In this detailed view, look for the option that says Add File. Clicking on this will allow you to choose a file from your computer to attach to your task. This functionality is incredibly useful for keeping all related files and notes together with the relevant task, making it easier to manage your projects and assignments. Select the file you want to attach from your computer. It might be a document, a spreadsheet, or even an image. Once you've selected the file, it will be uploaded and attached to your task. This process might take a few moments depending on the file size and your internet connection speed. After the file has been successfully uploaded, you'll see it listed within the task's details. This ensures that whenever you access this task, you'll have all the necessary resources at your fingertips, neatly organized together. It's a great way to keep things streamlined and efficient, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without distractions. By following these steps, you can easily add files to your tasks in Microsoft To Do, enhancing your productivity and organizational skills. This method not only keeps your tasks and projects tidy, but also directly links essential documents, images, or any other relevant files to specific tasks. It's a fantastic way to maintain a clear overview of what needs to be done while having all necessary resources just a click away. Remember, the key to effective task management is organization and accessibility. By attaching files directly to your tasks in Microsoft To Do, you're leveraging both of these principles. This not only makes it easier for you to work more effectively, but also enables everyone involved in a project to stay on the same page. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to export from Microsoft To Do. Whether you're managing personal tasks, collaborating on a project, or planning your next big venture, Microsoft To Do has the tools you need to stay organized and productive. Keep exploring, keep organizing, and most importantly, keep achieving your goals.